Very first time I heard you born, you've always been in my mind. Just give me one chance.
Good day, guys. This is another beautiful episode of On the Street with 99 Mediatv, and I'm right here with one of the best female artists in Osun State Polytechnic. Osun State Polytechnic. I'll let her introduce herself.
Hi everybody, my name is BHADGURL Royal, popularly known as Royal.
All right, this is BHADGURL Royal, popularly known as Royal. Royal, BHADGURL Royal, why are you dressed like this?
Because today's one of the FYB back to school day.
Oh, you're an artist and you're still a student. Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. That's very, very encouraging. How long have you been doing music?
Since I was in JSS3.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. So, if you categorize your type of music, what is your type of music? What genre is your type of music?
Afro-pop.
Afro-pop. All right. So, what has been the most beautiful experience you've had in this music industry?
Well, I feel so proud of myself because when I choose music, I become more courageous. I become more courageous because I'm kind of a person that is always shy. Sometimes, even though I'm still an artist, sometimes I feel shy. But once I get up to that stage, hold the microphone, give the best I can, then I'll just be like, Roya, you can do it.
Wow, that's amazing. So you're actually a shy type and you still do music. Wow, that's amazing. So if you know you're shy, you can do better. You can say, but the Roya is doing very much better and she's shy. So if you know you're shy and you're into music as well, you can also do better. This is an encouragement to you. But Roya, do you have any project out already? Do you have any project on our platform, or you're just planning to drop a project? Let us know about your job.
Well, I have some projects on Audio Mac, but it hasn't been on all platforms yet. But I have on Audio Mac, and I still have some that I haven't released yet.
All right, that's nice. Can you just tell us about the projects you have on Audio Mac for now, while we anticipate the ones for all platforms?
Well, the one on Audio Mac is I have one titled "Only You," featuring Slim P, and it's just a fiction of love thing, and also in my mind it's a fiction of love though. So I love songs a lot.
So you're a lover girl.
Maybe.
So how can a bad girl still be a lover girl? How is that possible?
It depends on the kind of music you want to like. Love song is just so easy for me to just think of and put it down. It's just what I love to. If you search on my Audio Mac, you just see.
So BHADGURL Royal, before you go, I would like you to do a freestyle for your audience. Let them know what BHADGURL Royal is about. So do something for them, please.
So they call me BHADGURL, no me say I have a picture, because normally student orientation is the best. Only more bad should ever me competition. First time in school, worry me be loser. But as time goes on, move without the win, and if BHADGURL Royal is back with just to learn. I've been waiting for your call to see if I run alone. Baby boy, let me keep you closer, cause I wanna have the sugar.
Sure you go be by my side every year and day, and I'ma hold you down, oh no. Will you ever be my comfort zone? I'll never play you like I've been played. I love you, boy, I no pretend. As you see me, so I know the joke. Fucking around boys is not my thing. I know they hear his enemies. If you fuck me up, that's your loss. I'm on a coding diet. Love me, but like I deserve. Give me kiss on the forehead.
BHADGURL Royal, you're too good. BHADGURL Royal is good. You guys need to stop sleeping on BHADGURL Royal. If you've not been streaming BHADGURL Royal's music, I need you to go on Audio Mac and start streaming BHADGURL Royal's music. BHADGURL Royal, it is so nice having you on this program. I wish we can have you next time. I hope you had a nice time.
Sure. It's amazing.
Thanks for coming.
Okay.
So guys, thank you for having us on this beautiful episode of On the Street with 99 Media. Do not forget to patronize Big Zuko Enterprises. Big Zuko Enterprises deals with sales and repairs of televisions, deep freezer, washing machine, and all types of electronics. Big Zuko Enterprises is located beside Lexoki Hotels and Gardens, MRS Filling Station, gas line, Ijoko Road, Songwater. You can reach Beautiful Enterprises through their Instagram handle, which is beautiful_enterprises, and you can actually reach out to them on WhatsApp with the number displayed on the screen right now. So we meet again. This is 99 Media TV, and this is On the Street with 99 Media TV. Peace.